Oh, they look delicious. So guys, I have already boiled a couple of Desiree and some Zabago potatoes, local of course from Gatton, and I've popped them into a bowl, olive oil, salt, hot oven, 220 degrees until they're really nice and crispy. This is our potato hash, part of the dish. I have taken the sausage meat out of the casings and I've cooked the sausage meat until it's really nice and brown. There's some gorgeous natural fat that's just come out of the pan. What we're going to do is take this out and go straight in with our onions, capsicum and broccoli. We're going to cook that down, pop all that into the baking dish, go over the top with the eggs and cheese, and yeah, pop on the crispy potatoes and into an oven of about 170 degrees for about 30 minutes until the egg is beautifully cooked.